I don't even know how to start this video. I've been doing this for so long and I'm sick of it, and yet it's all I really want to do. Hey, I'm just an average guy trying to make $100,000 online only using things like Amazon and YouTube, and I'm posting about it every day until I do. Yesterday on Amazon and my 3 monetized YouTube channels, I made $74.82. I write it all down here, and you can see I've been doing this for a while. Like, this just goes back several days here, several pages. Man, over half a year now. I've been trying this challenge over a half a year, 185 days. And I really thought after, a few weeks of doing this, it would just blow up, right? People would come alongside me with this journey. People would embark on the journey with me, do the same thing, want to embark on this $100,000 in a year challenge. And I thought we would make a movement out of this. Man, it just hasn't. It just hasn't. And I'm sick of it. And yet I want it to happen. I wanted to make it happen. Life gets in the way. And I've been doing this thing every single day. I've been making these videos every single day for a year. And most of them have just been shorts. Most of them have been under a minute. And yet this year, starting in 2025, I think, I've been making these longer videos, starting with 3 minutes and now like over 8 minutes long videos. And some channels say that's all you got to do. Just make long videos every single day and you'll blow up. I don't think that's all you really need to do, because I think if all it took was a daily commitment, it would have happened by now. Like 185 days. Oh man, I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. But at the same time, I want it to happen. I need it to happen. Not that I need it to happen. I have a day job. I have other income coming in. My wife's income is great. I want it to happen because I want this YouTube thing to work. And I've been wanting to make videos and make an income from this. And I do make some income. I'm making some income, right, from YouTube and Amazon. But I want it to be a full-time thing. I want it to be $100,000 a thing. And not that I need that number. The number really doesn't matter. I mean, if I got closer to that, that'd be fine. But just to, there's 8 billion people in the world, and I know that I can achieve that. And I know that if I set my mind to something, and I know that if you set your mind to something, you can do it. Once I achieve that $100,000 figure in a year, I might set another goal of another higher figure. I might just say, that was cool. I made it. I don't know. There's so many things that you could do in life, and not to say that money is the ultimate goal. I think money is just a trading tool. It really doesn't matter all that much. It buys you the lifestyle that you want. And yet, in order to prove to myself that I can do it, like when I set a goal, I want to accomplish that goal. So I'm gonna do it. Like I said, though, life sometimes gets in the way. This last week has been really busy. I haven't been able to make any review videos for Amazon. That's how I make money, through Amazon. I'm an Amazon influencer. So I post review videos that go on Amazon itself, and I also post those to YouTube. And then anybody who watches those videos, I get a commission if they purchase that product. So I haven't been able to do that at all this week, just because of life. And I told my wife, I said, you have a really busy week this week. I'm going to help you out more around the house. I'm going to help you out more with our daughter. So part of our story is that our daughter has medically complex needs. She has epilepsy. She has cerebral palsy. She's quadriplegic. She's just got a whole bunch of medical needs. So we do her care. We provide for her care 24/7. And one of her nurses just quit this last week. So that cuts out a lot of help that we get with her throughout the week. She was her nurse who took her to school. She was the nurse who oftentimes got her ready in the morning for various things. And of course we do all these things when we don't have a nurse, but just having help like 3 days a week really helps us out a ton. In fact, because of the nursing shortage in general, we don't have that oftentimes. We can't, she gets so many hours allotted to her that she's able to fill with nursing hours and things. And we've never been able to get a full nursing schedule fulfilled for her. Now, I'm sorry, this is kind of going beyond what I usually talk about on this channel, but I promise you it relates. So because she never gets her nursing stuff filled anyway, my wife actually went back to school to get her nursing degree, because in our state, a parent actually can provide these, fill these hours for her, for our own daughter, if she were able to get her nursing degree. So my wife, a couple years back, got her nursing degree, and any hours that we don't get filled for our daughter for nursing, my wife's able to pick these hours up. And because of that, we actually do make quite a bit more than a six-figure income. My wife has just done amazing as far as her career goes. And I would be lying if I said it didn't make me just a little bit jealous, because as a man, I do want to be the breadwinner. Now, that being said, she reminds me all the time, we're in this together, we do this together. She would not have been able to get her nursing degree if not for me picking up the slack at home and really doing all the things that she wasn't doing for those 18 months while she was getting her nursing degree online. So yeah, yes, we're in this together. And even while she as she gets these nursing hours and fills these hours for our daughter, I'm right there with her. We're doing it together. So yes, we're in it together. We're making that income together. When I say that I'm a little jealous, not really, because we both contribute to make that income. That being said, I know that through YouTube, we can also make that income. And man, it hasn't been happening. And I know that we can make it happen. In fact, I know it so strongly that here's what I'm going to do. Not only am I going to make six figures income with this channel, but I'm also going to lose weight in the process. So I'm going to call it making money, losing weight. I've been trying to lose weight for so long, and I've made some progress. In fact, last year, I want to say beginning of last year or so, I was up to about 236 pounds, and I've lost about 30 pounds since then. And I was actually just under 199 just a few weeks ago, and it's kind of gradually crept back up. But here's what I'm going to do. Every single day, I'm going to not just make a video for this channel, but I'm going to weigh in, and I'm going to keep myself accountable, and I want you to keep me accountable as well, because as I'm going to be losing weight, I'm also going to be making money. So are the two related? Here, yes, they are, because the better you feel and the healthier you are, the better you'll do in life. And that's just true. A number on a scale really doesn't matter all that much. But what does matter is things like avoiding health problems, avoiding heart disease, avoiding stroke, and getting out of things like obesity and being overweight. That keeps you healthy enough so that all those risk factors are severely diminished. Like right now, I'm technically obese. I'm in the obese category because my BMI is over 30%, is that right, of my weight. If I get below 200, I think I get out of the obese category and enter the overweight category. And if I can get all the way down to like 165 or 164 or so, something like that, then I'm actually out of the overweight category. I told some people not too long ago, I'm fine being slightly overweight. I'd like to go from being slightly obese to just slightly overweight. That's fine with me. That's fine. Because the thing is, I don't care about these categories so much. It doesn't matter so much if you're obese or overweight or whatever it is. What matters is how you feel and the longevity of your life and how healthy you're going to be. So if I can lose about 30 more pounds, that's going to severely increase the quality of my life, the how I feel, the risk factors, diminishing these risk factors for heart disease and stroke and these kinds of things. Man, that would just severely help things a lot. And I say all that to say this, because I'm going to make money and I'm going to lose weight. And I want you to keep me accountable. And if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.